I'm going to show you how to fix the yellow light on your Verizon router. First, try power cycling the router. Unplug it from the power source. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then plug it back in. Wait for it to boot up and see if the lights return to their normal state. Next, check the cables, as old or damaged cables can cause connectivity issues. If there's still a problem, contact Verizon support by signing into your account via the mobile app or web and look for the chat option. Type network outage to check if there's any ongoing maintenance or outage in your area. If so, you'll need to wait until service is restored. Additionally, try limiting connected devices to reduce strain on the network. Disconnect unnecessary devices, block unknown connections, or change your Wi-Fi password to control access. If issues persist, try repairing or testing the router with a wired connection to see if the problem is specific to Wi-Fi.